This thing on or what? Morning, folks. It ended up not raining last night, so we are going to try to fix the tractor drawbar and maybe work on my draper head a little bit this morning. And then if it's still not raining, there is a chance this afternoon. If it's still not raining though, I think we're going to go back to the other farm and do some corn to get that wet tank filled up. That way it can dry out if we do get rained on. So that's the plan for now. First, I've got to run a dump truck to the other test plot that we have out for sea consultants. So apparently they're going to do their test plot too. So we'll go do that, and then we'll get over to the farm. I guess it's the first time you guys have seen this dump truck. Something's missing. Oh, there it is. Drive this thing all the way to the elevator, not miss a gear. Sometimes. For my viewers from outside the United States, do you guys cause combines take this stuff? Or is that just an American thing? I don't know. I'm trying to hook the grain cart up to the new Challenger after the hitch came off the other one. Found out that it did do some damage to the hydraulic lines, ripped the light cable in half. So guess we didn't get as lucky as I thought. Well, we got the hydraulic hoses hooked up to the tractor. Now we're going to see what has leaks in it, I guess. So. Where's it leaking, up here?
No, it's running out the remote. Why?
Yeah, that hose is no good. As you can see, it's no longer circular, kind of oblong shape, so it's making it leak. So we got to replace this line also. Your fingernail clippers. I don't think this will help us any. Oh, it looks like we figured out the problem. We got two hoses that are busted, so I'm going to go in and get those. Okay. So we can maybe get this thing up and going today.
Rich got them. See what he thinks. We can splice that together. Buy new hoses.
This thing on or what? We're about ready to try it then? Alright, I'll get him. Good to go?
I think.
Alright guys, so we got the grain cart all put back together and we'll go ahead and dump it. What's grains on it. But this is the tractor that broke yesterday. That's the drawbar that broke. It's kind of got a weird designed drawbar. There's no hole for a hitch pin in the drawbar. There's a bolt here. There's one that goes under it there. And that kind of clamps on the part of the drawbar where the hitch pin goes through. I don't like that design. The other Challenger has a hole directly in the drawbar for a hitch pin, and that's how every other tractor I've ever been around has been. I like that better, but that's not how this one is, and that's what failed on this tractor. Well, the good news is we got the cart unloaded, figured out how to operate this new tractor. Bad news is it's raining, and it's raining pretty hard. Think it has enough manuals in it? Holy crap. That's why I filmed the guy. Well, there's a change of plans. The rain didn't last very long. It was just a quick shower. Radar looks like it's fairly clear. There's little clouds in the sky, but we're going to go try to shell some corn. We got 30 acres left of a field that we were in a couple days ago. We'll try to knock it out before the next batch of rain comes. So see if we can get her done. Well, better late than never. It's pretty late to start, 3 o'clock, but thought we got the grain cart fixed and all that stuff, and then I thought it was going to rain there for a minute, but yeah, now we're up and rolling. I guess George is getting his driving lesson on the new tractor. You ready to roll?
Yeah, boy. too late now. We just got started. Okay, thanks.
Shit you do when you're trying to make YouTube videos. Sitting there waiting on Dad to clean out so I can stage a camera. Tell me again what you're talking about. You got your...
Well, the weight up there is 18.
The weight on your ag leader is showing 18,287 pounds.
The scale's 18,380.
Scales are 18,380.
327 bushel, and that's 336 bushel. Both of them wet bushel.
So something's wrong with your ag leader.
It's got to be called the test weight.
If anybody with a cloth combine has any ideas on why we're getting that, trying to calibrate his yield monitor, comment below. We have 2 trucks tonight. The other trucks are tied up at the seed plots. So far we're keeping up pretty good, surprisingly. I guess we're having a rare moment of efficiency. But this corn is dry today. We're talking 16.2, putting it straight in the bin, so that's nice, I guess. It's too dry for October 2nd, but we'll take it. We're eating high on the hog tonight. 5 Guys burgers and fries. Alright guys, so the more I think about this hitch coming apart yesterday, the more I kind of think it's probably our fault. Now, a hitch should not come apart like this. This is not a very old tractor and it doesn't have a whole lot of hours on it, but this is probably something that should definitely be on your pre-season checklist, is to check the bolts of the drawbar. It's not something I ever think about. It's apparently not something Dad ever thinks about. I mean, it's not like you hear about hitches falling apart that often, but that'll definitely make our maintenance list from now on. October 2nd and I'm being eaten alive by mosquitoes. I am ready for it to be cold now. Oh, it's ridiculous. George, what do you think about that tractor?
Well, sorry about your luck when it comes to planting wheat. It's mine now.
Well, we're done shelling corn, now we're just moving trucks around and stuff. Ended up really not being too bad of a day for as late as it started. That's it for today. The rain ended up holding off. We got the grain cart put back together, and we did end up doing around 45 acres of corn this evening, or something like that. So the day wasn't a complete loss, and looks like tomorrow the chances of rain have dissipated, so there'll be another harvest video tomorrow, it appears. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the morning.